Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Silver has also pulled back into our support area as we highlighted in the last videos, and a bit like gold, yeah, it could very well be that we are reversing now to the upside. By the way, interestingly, we have pulled back to this trend line. I think I did mention that before. Very interesting that we really came back to this support level of the trend line, this descending wedge, and that we are breaking or reacting to it. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. So what do we need to look out for? So again, we are in the support area. This could be the wave 2 complete. Alternatively, and that's possible as well, alternatively, this is only the A wave of the 2. We are going to move up in a B wave and will come down in a C wave of 2 and reset the wave C later. We don't know that at this stage yet. But the way we came down and how far we came down, I'd rather say that we are already here now in the... we also, by the way, we pulled back to the 61.8 retracement, yeah, the golden ratio. That's normally a little bit too much just for an A wave. So I would here assume that if this assumption is correct that we're now reversing, and the assumption stands as long as we're holding the support area at 1947, so as long as we're holding 1947, my assumption is that we can rally in a third wave to $25 plus, plus, definitely plus. So however, what are we? So first of all, in the very short term, what we need to make sure is that silver is holding this support at $20.40, yeah? And very important, as I said, is this $19.50 level. Now, in the very short term, we could say, because we can count on the lower time frame, a very, very small 5-wave move here to the upside. It's a bit like gold. We could count 5 waves in gold or on gold, about gold, on the gold chart. 5 waves up, yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the question here is, are we already now in a third wave? Meaning that this here can count as wave 1. This can count as wave 2, and we could now rally in sort of a pattern like that. Yeah. Let me just change the wave degree. Again, all of this is only, the condition is we're holding the $20.40 level. It's I wanted to actually wait for how we open, yeah, because if we see, I thought if we see a gap now to the upside, I would have clarity we are in the third wave. Then I thought, okay, if we see a gap down or a strong move down, then it could very well be that we're still in the wave 2. Now, we don't really see anything. It's just moving sideways for now, but it seems like the market is starting quite friendly. So it could very well be that within the third wave here, in circle wave 3, we've completed a wave 1, 2. Yeah. And that we're now in the third of the third. But this is a bit too early to confirm. I mean, we've broken above the previous wave 1. Here, circle wave 1, and we could now rally in a third wave. So I think at the moment, because the short-term trend is up, I think we can give benefit to the uptrend. But obviously, it needs to hold the $20 here, this last wave 2, circle wave 2 low at $20.68. As long as that's the case, I would say we are now in a third wave. But this can easily still break down. But this is what we need to watch out for. What would be the target for that third wave? So if we measure the length of the wave 1, go to the low of the 2, yeah, 2190 is the ideal target, the 1.618 extension, yeah. So that's sort of what I'm watching for. But yeah, I think we have a good chance to reverse out of this support area in general. And this is now a proper attempt it can make. But yeah, we don't really see the momentum yet. Would have been nice to see a bit of a gap to the upside that would have provided some clarity. So it's maybe a bit of a slow start, but certainly not an unfriendly start to the week, but simply at this point we don't have enough data yet. But this is how it could unfold if it now holds these recent lows, and sort of these are the targets we would see. And then we can, maybe tomorrow, day after, we can provide some more clarity. Are we now really in this breakout phase? And we also need to break out of our green support area again. That would take it then out of or above the 2130 level. Okay, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.